for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, keyless start, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.